Hi, welcome to my channel. Our problem today is to find the angle theta from this figure. As you can see, we have the angle theta here, and the given angles are 25 degrees, 75 degrees, and 20 degrees. So let's start. So we will uh, get first the angle here. So we will let the angle here as x. Then uh, the angle here is we will also let as angle y. So now, as you can observe that it is a straight angle. So therefore, a straight angle here is 180 degrees, just like this. So it is 180 degrees. So therefore, 180 degrees is equal to y plus 75 degrees. So now we will transpose this 75 degrees to the other side. So this becomes 180 degrees minus 75 degrees is equal to y. Now we will subtract 180 minus 75, so it is 105 degrees. So we have now the value of y. So y here is equal to 105 degrees. So now we will solve the value of x. So let's focus on this triangle. So if we will add all the inside angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. So 180 degrees is equal to x plus y, which is 105 degrees, plus 20 degrees. So this becomes 180 degrees is equal to x plus 125 degrees. Then we will transpose the 125 degrees to the other side. This becomes 180 degrees minus 125 degrees is equal to x. So we will subtract, the answer is 55 degrees. So we have now the value of x, 55 degrees. Now, since we have the values of x and y, so we will now proceed to the angle theta. So we will now solve. So let's focus on this big triangle. So we will now use the value of x. So x plus 25 degrees plus angle theta plus 20 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, the sum of all angles inside a triangle. Next, we will substitute the value of x, which is 55 degrees. So 55 degrees plus 25 degrees plus theta plus 20 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Then we will add 55 plus 25, so equals to 80 degrees plus theta plus 20 degrees is equal to 180. Then we will add 80 plus 20, so 100 degrees plus theta is equal to 180 degrees. So we will transpose 100 degrees to the other side. So this becomes theta is equal to 180 degrees minus 100 degrees. Then we will subtract. So the angle theta is equal to 80 degrees. So the answer is 80 degrees. Now I will teach you the most easy way on how to solve this problem. So we will focus only on this small triangle. So here, uh, the best thing that we will consider is the concept of reflex angle. So we can directly solve the angle here. So I will draw uh, reflex angle. So when we have 30 degrees here, we also have 30 degrees here. So this is the concept of reflex angle. So another example, when we have 45 degrees here, we also have 45 degrees here. So therefore, as we can observe, since we have 75 degrees here, so therefore we also have 75 degrees here. So now we will proceed to the small triangle. So we can now solve the value of theta. So the sum of all angles inside a triangle is always 180 degrees. So therefore, it is equal to theta plus 75 degrees plus 25 degrees. Then this becomes 180 degrees is equal to theta plus 100 degrees. Then we will transpose 100 degrees. This becomes 180 degrees minus 100 degrees is equal to theta. So we will subtract. The answer is 80 degrees is equal to theta. So we have now the answer.